What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this mini PC. This one is from Geekom. This one is MiniAir 11. Last year I have reviewed another Geekom mini PC, that's Geekom Mini IT8. And this one is Geekom MiniAir 11. Actually, I have always reviewed a bit expensive mini PCs, so a lot of my subscribers and regular viewers, they have requested me that why don't you try and find a budget, affordable mini PC for us? We want to use a mini PC, but we don't want to spend more than $250. So it was a tough job to find a very good mini PC within $250. I have bought like 3 different mini PCs and finally I have found one that actually performs and offers very good value for money. I've been using this mini PC for last 8 days. And actually after using this one for 8 days side by side with 2 other mini PCs, one costs $30 more than this one and another costs $60 more than this one. Yeah, performance wise this one done better than those, and as this one is cheaper than the other 2, I have decided to review this one rather than comparing side by side because I don't want to confuse you. The truth is this one comes with pretty updated hardware and most importantly this brand offers a very good customer support. Well, how much actually does this one cost and what are the specifications of this mini PC? The actual price of this one is $279 but I have managed to buy this one for $239. Yeah, there is a discount going on at this moment, and this one is a 8GB RAM, DDR4 RAM, 256GB M.2 storage edition. Unfortunately, they don't have any other variant available on their website. Well, as I've mentioned earlier, this one is packed with newest updated hardware. This one actually comes with a 11th gen Intel CPU. That's a Celeron N5095. Yeah, Celeron is a budget processor. You definitely cannot expect to get an i7 or i5 for $200, and actually within $250, no other brands are offering 5095. Okay, this is a mini PC, that means this one comes with Intel UHD graphics 605. Another thing I always care about, whether a brand is offering Windows 11 Pro or not. Yeah, this one comes with Windows 11 Pro, so here goes one like for them. And if you end up liking this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Let's start from unboxing, and then as usual we will run 3D Mark, we will play some games. Definitely this isn't a gaming PC, but we will try to play some games and we will check how it performs in real life, in daily life. Let's start from unboxing. I really like this new packaging. Yeah, definitely this packaging is far more premium. Even if this PC is a cheaper one, an affordable one, a budget mini PC comes with very good premium packaging. That's really cool. Yeah, after opening the top lid, the first thing you will notice is your Geekom MiniAir 11. I wanted to say very light, but it's not light. That means this one is built with premium materials. Let's check what things we have inside the box and then we will talk about this MiniAir 11. Okay, underneath the mini PC, there is a user manual. I wish other brands would start providing user manual or instruction sets like Geekom. Their user manuals are really nice. There are numbers and there are a lot of illustrations and not like a lot of writings. There are no words at all. If you don't want to read this part, you don't have to read this part. They will let you understand and know everything through the illustrations. That's great. That's really great. Okay. I think this is a thank you card and a lot of words. Well, I'm not gonna read through this, but nice words. Wow, they have provided a pouch. Oh my gosh, they have provided a mini DisplayPort to HDMI dongle. A dongle like this even costs more than $25. A good quality dongle like this would cost you $50. And Geekom has provided this inside the box. Kudos to Geekom. Okay, they have also provided a HDMI cable. If you want to put this mini PC at the back of your monitor, you can still do that. Yeah, they have provided the tools. And yeah, there are some screws. And actually, I'm a bit surprised to see this power adapter. This one is a 65-watt adapter. Oh, I really didn't know Celeron needs that much power. This means they are gonna squeeze everything out of this Celeron. Wow. That's great. Well, let's put everything aside and unwrap our Geekom MiniAir 11. Wow, looks nice, and as usual there is Geekom logo on top. Also on the top right corner there is an Intel Inside logo. Yeah, in hand it has its own weight because this one is built with metal. The rear panel, the body, the whole thing is built with metal. Yeah, the top lid is actually plastic, but I can guarantee underneath this plastic there is a heavy aluminum panel. Yeah, that aluminum panel is connected to the heatsink, so that panel itself also works as a heatsink. Actually, the frame and the body of Geekom Mini PC works as a heatsink. That's great. If you don't know, these mini PCs are built on Intel NUCs. Geekom has taken it to another level. In front, there is a power button, a 3.5mm port for audio, a USB 3.1 10 gigabit per second port, and a USB-C port. This one is actually 5 gigabit per second port, and this one is for data only. You can also listen to music through this port. Yeah, they offer digital audio. Another like to Geekom. There is a SD card slot on the left side and a Kensington lock port on the right side. At the rear part, there is a very big cutout. This one is actually the vent for the heatsink. Underneath that, there is this adapter port, the power port, mini display port, gigabit Ethernet port. I wish mini PCs will start coming with 2.5 gigabit ports, but from a $250 mini PC, we cannot expect that. A gigabit Ethernet port is good enough, but what made me so happy is they have added a USB-C Gen 2 port which supports 10 gigabit per second data transfer rate. There are two other USB-A ports. These are USB 3.1 ports, so supports 5 gigabit per second data transfer rate. Also, yeah, definitely there is a HDMI port. Underneath there is nothing. We can easily open it and check what things we have got inside this. For build quality, this one will get 10 out of 10, but for design, appearance and outlook, it's a bit monotonous, so I would give 8 out of 10. Yeah, let me bring my electric screwdriver, which is friendly to mini PC, and then we will open this up and check what things we have got inside this. But before that, let me mention that this one comes with Intel Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.0, packed with a very quiet but a very heavy blower, which helps to keep this PC cool. It's very easy to open the bottom panel. Just unscrew 4 screws and voila, it's wide open. There is only one slot for M.2 NVMe. Unfortunately, there is no other slot for a SSD drive. Considering the form factor, I think this is acceptable, and as this M.2 drive is easily upgradable, I would just upgrade this drive rather than adding another. However, there are 2 RAM slots and this motherboard supports dual channel RAM, so we can easily upgrade to a far better RAM with better CL timing. The top panel is a plastic cover. It's easily removable. No tools required. But if you want to access to the upper part of this mini PC, then you will need to unscrew a few more screws, and it's a bit tricky. Geekom has used good heatsink and copper heat pipes, so I believe there won't be any thermal throttling. Okay, before we run benchmark and try to play my favorite games, let's check CPU, motherboard and RAM details. Jasper Lake 10nm CPU. This one has max TDP of 15 watt, so we cannot expect any heavy gaming performance from this one. Geekom has used their own custom motherboard with AMI BIOS. It's really nice to see BIOS is pretty much updated. Geekom has used a good single stick RAM. However, as there is an option to upgrade, we can upgrade the RAM anytime. Finally, Celeron N5095 is an APU. This means integrated graphics. This one comes with Intel UHD graphics. I'm not gonna run Cinebench on this mini PC because this is not for video editing. Rather, let's run 3DMark Wildlife and check whether we can hit 1500 or not. I'm not gonna screen record the benchmark cause that will hamper the performance. Oh my gosh, almost 1500. Geekom MiniAir 11 has managed to score 1493. Which is a very good score considering its specification. If we check FPS, temperature and GPU load, there is nothing unusual. It has performed within its capabilities and it's totally okay. I love to play Striker Zone. Truly, I didn't even expect this PC would get more than 25 frames per second. The word amazing isn't so correct. I wanna mix surprising with amazing together. Actually, I'm really surprised to see more than 40 frames per second. This is fierce performance. As this mini PC is actually for workplaces, I have managed to run different 4K monitors without any issue. I have even tried 2 different monitors at the same time using the provided dongle, and all the monitors are working fine, all the ports are working fine. I was worried at the beginning this Geekom MiniAir 11 would fail to deliver 60Hz in 4K resolution, but one more time it has surprised me with its vivid performance. If your monitor supports, then you will definitely get 4K 60Hz without any issue. From a $250 mini PC, what can you expect? Are you gonna overclock it? Are you gonna fine-tune something in your BIOS? Almost no real user of this PC would do that. So what can we expect from this mini PC and what are we gonna get for $250? I have used this one as my work PC in my workspace, and this one has performed beyond its category, beyond its price segment. We have already seen this one has got almost 1500 in 3D Merc wildlife. Then we can play games with very good frames per second. We can use multiple displays in 4K, and this one offers 4K 60Hz without any flicker, without any issue. Very tiny form factor with a lot of ports. Premium build quality and affordable price tag. Yeah, that's the end of this video. If you're interested in a mini PC, if you wanna buy one within $250, I think you should try this one. I have tried many other, and if you want me to do a comparison video side by side with other mini PCs, then please let me know in the comment section below. Okay, I have left a link in the description box below, but that's not an affiliate link. If you wanna buy this mini PC, go ahead, buy from anywhere. I have no affiliation with this brand and I'm not gonna get any incentives if you buy this mini PC. So if you wanna buy from anywhere. You don't have to buy from my link. I'm just sharing my honest opinion and that's it. If you have liked this video, then please click on the like button. If you have loved this video, if you wanna watch more videos like this, then please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned.